In today's video, I will teach you how to make a custom phone wallpaper using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, create a canvas with the size of a phone wallpaper. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, and under the collage layouts and blank canvases, select See All Blanks to open PicMonkey's canvas preset library. Here, you will see different canvas presets for every social media post and print sizes. Now, different phones have different screen resolutions, so here's a cheat sheet of wallpaper sizes for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've found the right wallpaper size for your phone, you can now input it to the width and height text box at the upper right side of the panel, and click Make It to open the canvas. Once your canvas is open in the editor, you can now make your own wallpaper design based on your preferences. You can add images by simply going to the Photos and Videos tab at the sidebar of the editor. And you can either choose from PicMonkey's stock library containing thousands of free and premium stock images, or you can simply upload your own image. To do this, click on the Add Photo or Video button, and upload an image directly from your computer. Once you've chosen or uploaded an image, you can now drag and drop it to your canvas. To resize the image, simply drag on the control points and handles. You can also add text to your wallpaper by simply going to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Now, you can either choose from PicMonkey's text presets, or you can make your own text box. You can also add graphics to your wallpaper. To do this, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab, and here, you can choose which type of graphics you would like to add to your wallpaper. And once you've chosen a graphic element, you can now simply drag and drop it to your canvas. And once you're satisfied with your design, you can now download it to your computer and transfer it to your phone and set it as your wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.